Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance in easy steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. Now let's jump into the video. First thing we need to do is open up your Payoneer account. And after that, click on this option of banks and cards and you will be able to see an option of adding your card over here. But first, you need to fill the requirements of receiving at least $100 into your Payoneer account. When you receive $100 into your account, you will be able to see an option to add card. Payoneer card, basically, and after you get the Payoneer card, then go to the Binance and your Binance, click on this option, buy crypto. Then select USD over just search for USD. And you will be able to select it. After that, click on credit and debit card. Over here, then just provide the amount that you want to spend. Suppose you want to spend $100, just type over here, then select the crypto of your choice over here. You can select USDT as well. And after that, you can click on continue. And this way, after providing all your details of your card, Payoneer, you will be able to buy crypto on Binance. And this is how you transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.